Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to study the rearrangements, that is support for formation of carbocation. In this case, when the structure of alkene, when it permits the reaction, it is accompanied by the rearrangement, and the product sometimes contains the group, that is the base group X minus, which is attached to the carbon atom that was not doubly bonded. Generally, during these addition reactions, the negative part of the reagent, that is the X minus, it is attached to the carbon double bond or double bonded carbon atom. But in some cases or sometimes, this product it contains the X minus or it to the carbon atom which is not doubly bonded, or in some cases there is change in the carbon skeleton of the original compound, and here we get the unexpected product. Sometimes we get the unexpected product, and here we are going to take the example of addition of HI to the 2,3-dimethyl 1-butene, that is the alkene. Okay, we will see that example, which is giving strong support for the formation of carbocation. Okay, so here CH double bond CH2. So you can also give the numbering to this, like this is carbon 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is called as 3,3-dimethyl 3,3-dimethyl 1-butene. So when it is treated with reagent, that is the HI, then we get first the carbocation, that is CH3 CH plus, and here CH3. So this is the first step, and here we get 2-degree or secondary carbocation. And in the second step, here this base, that is X minus, that is I minus, it attacks this carbocation, that is positively charged carbon atom, and here we get this product, that is 2-iodo 3,3-dimethyl butane, and it is rearranged product. That is, this is as per our usual reaction. This is as per your usual reaction. But here, sometimes what happens here, this, if there is possibility or if it is possible, then what happens, this carbocation, this 2-degree carbocation or carbocation, it undergoes a rearrangement by carrying a methyl shift, by carrying the methyl shift, so that here we can again write here this carbocation intermediate, which is formed in the first step of the reaction, carbocation. So here what happens, here there is methyl shift in this case, that is 1,2 methyl shift is there, that is methyl group, it is migrated from this carbon atom to this carbon atom. So here we can show this migration of this methyl group, that is from this carbon atom to this carbon atom, that is positively charged carbon atom. So that what happens here, you see, due to migration, this migration, it is called as 1,2 migration because it is shifted on the adjacent carbon atom. It is shifted on the adjacent carbon atom, and therefore here we get positive charge on this carbon atom, and here there will be this methyl group, shifted methyl group will be here, and here we get positively charged carbon atom. So this carbocation, you know, this is now it becomes 3-degree carbocation. So what happens here? 2-degree carbocation, it is converted into 3-degree carbocation, which is more stable. That is stability of the carbocation. It is increased by methyl shift. Correct. Due to methyl shift, the stability of carbocation, it is increased. That is 3-degree carbocation. 2-degree carbocation is converted into 3-degree carbocation, which is comparatively more stable than the 2-degree carbocation. And further, again, in same reaction here, this reacts with the base, that is I minus, base attacks again this carbocation, that is 3-degree carbocation, and we get this product which is called as 2-iodo. This is 2-iodo 2,3-dimethyl butane. 2,3-dimethyl butane. So you know, this is an unexpected product. You know, actually expected product is 2-iodo 3,3-dimethyl butane. It is an unrearranged product. But instead of that, we get this product, that is 2-iodo 2,3-dimethyl butane, which is called as the rearranged product. This is now rearranged product. There is change in the carbon skeleton also during this reaction. So thus in this reaction, 1,2 shift of this methyl group, it convert originally formed 2-degree carbocation into more stable 3-degree carbocation. 3-degree carbocation, giving this 2-iodo 2,3-dimethyl butane. That is the unexpected product, and which has different carbon skeleton than that of the original substrate, that is 3,3-dimethyl 1-butane. And so this clearly indicates, correct? So this is only possible due to the rearrangement. Here you can write here a rearrangement. It occurs at this stage. There is a 1,2 methyl shift, and this is possible to rearrangement. There is formation of carbocation, and so that here we can say that this formation of the rearranged product clearly supports the mechanism of the formation of carbocation as an intermediate in this electrophilic addition reaction. Thank you.